today I'm going to talk about my favorite book. My favorite book is Harry Potter. There are few reasons I like Harry Potter. First, I like the setting of the Harry. His parents are gone and he is living with another family, but he is being bullied by all the members of the family. Also, he has best two friends, Ron and Hermione. Harry escaped his home and went to the Hogwarts school. These are Harry's setting. Actually, I had escaped from my home and play game outside. I like this detail and setting. Also, second, I like magic. In fact, I like magic show, so I like the magic fantasy books. I think this magic used in movie or book is not common magic we see in the YouTube or TV channels, so I like this. So I recommend this series to people who like fantasy and fun. This Harry Potter made me to like books that are long. These are the reasons why I like Harry Potter and who I want to recommend. Thanks for watching.